First of all, you need First of all, you need to disassemble the modification. If you have modification, just disassemble. Just remove the flaps and two engines. These parts, black one, and that's it. And finally, you will have the Saitek housing. I mean the Saitek throttle. And probably you have and if you have modification, here will be the speed brake housing, this speed brake lever. Okay, it doesn't matter actually, but okay. First of all, what you need to disassemble the throttle itself. I mean Saitek throttle itself. First of all, you will need the Phillips screwdriver. First step, you need to unscrew these four screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need the screwdriver should be quite long, because you see it is next one. As soon as you receive these 4 screws, just open it. Mine is disassembled already because I have not original Saitek anymore. A long time ago I did it. This one, okay. Next one. Here you see I have not potentiometers already. It is 1, 2, 3. I have not this one because it is, as I said, I have not original one. I mean the fully assembled and just from the Saitek. Second one, you need to. It's quite dark, but anyway, you need to unscrew these four screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you will have three sets of wires, by 3 wires, here, here, and here. It's okay. Now, next one. You unscrew this one. This one will be quite difficult because here installed the LED. You can just slightly push the LED here and try to not to damage this one, and you can just pull it out. You can bend the legs of this LED here. Okay, we removed these four screws. Next one, we need to remove the board itself. The board, it is not so easy, but anyway, we need to do this one. Yeah, that's it. Here, you see this one. It is cut it already, but you will have these wires. This, and this. This is a main cable. I mean this one. This one is PS2, and probably you have the USB. It doesn't matter actually. You can leave this one if you suppose to use this button in the future. I just remove this one. In the future, you need to keep this this cable. Okay, it is not a problem actually, but you will have one additional USB from the Saitek. Okay. Now, next step, you need to remove the axis housing. 1, 2, 3. One, two, and 3. Oops. By the way, sorry, what I have to do, I have to insert this one. Okay, now we have you see this empty. This cable will go out with this board. That's it. Okay, let's simulate this one. After that, you will need to remove these two parts inside the Saitek, this one and this one, this and this. How to do this one? Small screws here, 1 and 2. You just unscrew this one. It is quite small. It's small. This one, this screw. It's 2. One is here, second one here. And after that, you can remove this parts. You don't need this one. You don't need this one. And now we are ready for installation. Completely. Next one, you will need to come back this part. It is the cable here to the board, and you need just to put it on the place. This one. I have cut this one, but anyway. Now you need to put this board here and to insert this one on the place. And you need to screw again this 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That's it. And now we are completely ready for installation of the mod. I mean the metal Caprolon mod into the Saitek. This one is the mod itself. Okay, this controller, cables to the engine 2, engine 1. This one is going, here's the 4 wires. If you have fuel cutoff levers, you can connect this one to the cable going from the cutoff levers box. This one, if you want to reduce the number of the USB cables, this one needs to be connected to the cable, to the potentiometers. I will show you later, not now, but this one is I checked this one. It doesn't matter. But you will eliminate one USB cable from the housing, from the speedbreak housing to the PC. Because this one it is going to this controller. If not, but in this case you will have additional USB cable from the speedbreak housing to the PC. Okay. Now, what we have here, we have the. Sorry, it is not screwed, but anyway, it is not a problem at all. It is not a problem at all, and to show you it is, because it's not so big space. Now we are ready for installation. Just put the let's say here, and after that you just oops, this is engine 1 and this one, sorry. And this one is going to the engine 2. To the engine 2. Come on. And to the engine 2. Engine 2. That's it. Engine 1, engine 2. We have it here. And after that we just put it here. That's it. You see, 1 and 2. Now I have this for demonstration. I will show you this. I didn't install the actual handle, but anyway, I have prepared already this one. I will show this one on the photos, and you have seen this one. How to do this one? You need to connect the cable from the handle, from the engine handle. You need to remove the insulation here, and I did it with the tubes, special thermo tubes here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's connected to the connector, you see. And now I just putting this one, I just putting here, I just open, it is not the handles itself, but I want to show you this one, this cable and this connector. Oops, sorry. Cable and come on, okay, cable and connector, you see, it's engine 2. Let's put it here for a moment. And now we need just to connect this one, this connector, this connector to this connector. We are putting it together. That's it. And after that, it is broken here. Why? I have not this one actually. And the same thing for the engine 2. Flaps has not cable, and it's okay because it's already there, and that's it. It's engine 2 for the engine 2. Now we need to put the wires here, and finally we have the contactless. You see, it's going. First of all, it is more. You see, the movement is up to the down, not. Because Saitek itself has this this space is using for the virtual button here, and what we have here now, we have the full movement, and we have contactless sensor. After that, you will install the engine number 2 the same. Flaps you no need to put, and after that you can use install this. You need to unscrew. I forget on my warehouse. I forget these parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's like this, these tubes, this thread, and here will be just a four screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And and also here here will be the metal. I forget this one and this one. Small aluminum parts. It's inserting here. This just for installation. 2 screws here, and after that you can use this part to mount this one on the clamp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we have removed these parts instead of this one. It is included in the kit. It is these aluminum parts here with the 3 holes. This is the thread. Actually, that's it. And after that, you are just mounting to the clamp, putting this under the angle, or just put to the direct to the Saitek clamp, and that's it. Plus, you can see it is quite okay. I mean, the quite okay tension here. And anyway, you can use this one is tighter than this one because it's flaps. It should be not so tight. And that's it. Engine 1, engine 2. So you're done. The same thing for the fuel cutoff levers. Just to cut the cable. Connect to the cable to this connector. Just a moment. To this connector, connect the cable, and after that you just put the connector together and just connect this one, and that's it. Actually that's it. I have not sensors here because I will receive this one in a couple of days. That's new one. Because I have sold the previous one, and now I'm awaiting the new sensors here, and I will show you how it works. First of all, you see it is two problems here. I mean the Saitek has a problem with potentiometers, and Saitek has a problem Not all Saiteks, but some Saiteks has a problem with the board itself. Why I'm avoiding this board and I'm installing another controller. You can use this board, but it is from my experience. I did it twice, and every time I had experience, I had the problem with this Saitek board. I don't know what they are doing, but anyway, it is a problem sometimes. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can ask me at any time. And second one, you see the I don't remember, I showed this one in the old video, first video, second video, I don't know. You see here's the Saitek has a plastic, just a moment, plastic lever, and plastic lever, it's not so strong anyway. You see, it's just bending. And second one, some clients asking me about the levers, because sometimes it's broken by the, I don't know, by the pocket shorts or maybe children. And here it is, you see, it is just a movement here, but it's a small one, but it is metal, you know. It is metal and it is not bending as a plastic one. It's obvious. That's it, guys. Thank you very much.